Hello guys, welcome to Sampada Creators and I'm your host Shubham Sharma. So guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how we can transfer our tokens or assets from one blockchain to another blockchain. But first we have to know why we need this, right? Why should we transfer or why would we do transfer our assets from one blockchain to other, right? Like for example, you recently got to know how you can use MetaMask on Ethereum blockchain, right? But after some time, you get to know that there is some new DEX and that new DEX can give airdrop to its users or early adopters. But that DEX runs on Polygon chain or Avalanche chain, right? But now in this case, you know only Ethereum blockchain, right? You don't know how you can transfer your tokens or Ethereum to Polygon or Avalanche, right? So for this need to be eligible for that airdrop on that DEX, right? Now you need to transfer your tokens from Ethereum blockchain to Avalanche, right? Like for example, you want to transfer your USDT of Ethereum blockchain to USDT of Polygon network, right? So for this you need to use a bridge. Now what is a bridge? A bridge is simply a source or an exchange where it transfer your tokens from one blockchain to other blockchains by converting them, right? You don't need to follow the whole process. You don't need to understand the whole process because that is their work, right? They will do this, but you need those bridges from where you can transfer your one token of one blockchain to that same token of other blockchain. For example, you want to change your USDT from Ethereum blockchain to USDT on Polygon network. For this purpose, you need to use the bridge, and today we are making video on AnySwap bridge. So how we can use this AnySwap bridge, how we can transfer our tokens from Ethereum to Polygon or from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain and different tokens from different blockchains to different blockchains, how we can do all these things. For this, we have to go to our computer screen. So let's go to our computer screen. So guys, welcome to my computer screen again, and I have already opened the website AnySwap.exchange/hash/router, right? So this is the bridge of AnySwap. Like I've already told you, we have to use bridges to transfer our tokens from one chain to another, right? So in this tutorial, I'm going to transfer my USDC of BSC chain to Phantom, right? And you can choose different chains on AnySwap bridge. Like I can use Ethereum mainnet. This is OKX mainnet, this is Matic, this is Phantom, Arbitrum, AVAX, right? So I can choose these much chains, right? And I can transfer different tokens between these chains. So right now I'm choosing USDC of BSC to transfer it to USDC on Phantom, right? So what I have to do, I have $283. So I will transfer around 150 USDC from BSC to Phantom mainnet. So I click on this swap and I will confirm this swap, right? I have already done web transfer from BSC to Phantom, so that's why I got the option of swap. But if you're using it for the first time, you will first get an option of approve the swap, right? So first you have to approve it. When it is approved, then you will get this option of swap, right? So I will confirm now. I confirm this. So now I have done this transaction, and it is showing me that please wait minutes to check the cross-chain transaction status on the Explorer, right? I click on this transaction link, right? And this page will open. Right now it is open, and here you can see my status is pending, right? Type is deposit. So here is the detail, like source chain is BSC mainnet, destination chain is Phantom, and status is pending, right? So I have confirmed this swap. The option, or you can say the swap has happened, right? My money has been sent from BSC chain, but now it will take some time to send my money, to transfer my money from BSC chain to Phantom mainnet, right? And it is showing my status pending, right? You can always click on this link to open your transaction hash page, right? So you can check the status if your transaction is pending or successful. It takes around 10 to 15 minutes. So don't worry guys, right? You can wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that much time, the status will change from pending to successful, right? So please wait, right? Now we are going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we will come back when status is successful, and I will show you guys if I have received USDC on my Phantom wallet, right? So let's wait. So now my swap has been successful, right? Here you can see the status, it is success, right? And now let's check my wallet on Phantom, right? I click on this and I select the Phantom Opera, and here you can see that I have 149.1 USDC, right? I had already done transaction, so I got some more USDC. So this is how we can switch our tokens from one chain to another. Right now I have switched my USDC from BSC chain to Phantom chain, and I have received those USDC. And also please note that I have received 149.1 USDC, right? They have been fees of like 0.9 USDC which it cut, right? This is how AnySwap bridge makes money, right? So guys, this is it. This is how you can transfer your tokens from one chain to another, right? I hope that you guys have understood this whole information, this whole process. If you guys have any query, please let us know in the comment section, or you can also join our Telegram group, right? And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And please share this video to your people, known people, your friends or family who are in crypto, so they can also get to know about this functionality of crypto where you can switch your assets from different chain to different chain, right? So this is it guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.